Today we're making flan, which is one of my favorite Puerto Rican desserts made with a creamy custard baked over caramel. We're going to start by making our caramel in a saucepan with 1 cup of sugar over medium heat. You're going to have to be patient at this step and give your sugar at least 15 minutes to melt fully, making sure not to mix with any utensils. You can just move the pan around like so. Once it's completely melted, you can pour your caramel into a Pyrex baking dish, and carefully with your hands you can move the dish around to make sure that caramel is evenly distributed. Next, in a blender, combine 1 can of evaporated milk with 1 cup of sugar, a few teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, a cup of whole milk, and 5 eggs. Once all of those ingredients are in the blender, you can puree until the consistency is smooth and creamy. Once that's done, you're going to want to prepare a water bath. And basically a water bath is just a tray or baking dish with water inside of it and then another plate on top of that. So here we've got our caramel lined baking dish and we're pouring in our milk mixture, and I'm going to add this to the oven before pouring water into that second baking dish. Bake it at 350 for about an hour before pulling it out, and it should look a little bit like this. Go ahead and, using a knife, slice around the edges to loosen it up and then flip over onto a plate. How beautiful is that? You can slice it into 8 slices, and from there you can serve, making sure to add some of that beautiful caramel sauce over the top before you serve. Enjoy!